Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up charts on Webull. First, navigate to any stocks detail page and locate the chart section. You can easily switch between various chart types, like candlesticks or line charts, to suit your analysis style. Next, customize the time interval, ranging from 1 minute for quick trades to 1 month for broader market views. This initial setup is crucial for effective technical analysis. Once your basic chart is ready, it's time to enhance it with technical indicators. Access the indicator menu, which offers a wide selection from moving averages to the relative strength index. Simply tap to add them to your chart. Remember, you can customize each indicator's parameters, like changing a moving average period from 20 to 50 or adjusting its color for better visibility. This personalization helps you tailor the data to your trading strategy. Webull provides robust drawing tools to help you mark up your charts effectively. You can easily add trend lines, support and resistance levels, or even Fibonacci retracements to identify potential price targets. Don't forget to save your preferred chart layouts. This feature allows you to quickly load your custom setups without rebuilding them every time. For advanced analysis, use the split screen option to compare up to 4 different stocks simultaneously. To maximize your efficiency, create and save multiple chart templates. This lets you switch between different analytical approaches, like a short-term trading template versus a long-term investment view, with just a few taps. Dive into the advanced settings to fine-tune chart scaling, adjust data display options, and even set up custom alerts based on your indicators. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Optimizing these settings will significantly enhance your trading experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.